Hi. How is everybody? I've got a box. I thought I'd better do an unboxing. We had a sale the other day. I can't remember what else I put in the box, so we're all in this together. That's my name, Fiona Fernandez from Pyrmont. I'm an independent Stampin Up demonstrator, which means I joined Stampin Up and I demonstrate, but you don't have to demonstrate. If you're a demonstrator, you can just be a member. It's like being a member. It's joining the company to buy their products, get them at a discount and sell them if you wish to. And I sell my products that I make from it as well. So they have an angel policy, so we can do that. So don't forget there's a great join offer on at the moment. I don't have my sheet of paper handy. Hang on a minute. We've got the phone. Let's find that. Hang on a minute. I'll just find my website and show you that, because that's really good to know. Whenever they have a join up special, calling all crafters, join today. This is on their website. It goes through what is a Stampin' Up demonstrator, and there's lots of benefits to being part of the community, and they've got 2 incredible discounts on their starter offer at the moment. So let's have a look at that. If we click on that, you just put your email in and you can sign up. But to sign up with me, hang on a minute, let me exit that. Exit. We'll just make sure I'm shopping with Fiona. So to shop with me, here, we'll go through this way. What have I got there? Let's go. Do the QR code. Go into the website. That'll take you to my website. And then it's got my face, you know it's me. And I've got a welcome there. And if you click across to, you can go to specials or to the join page. So either one, but if you go straight to the join page, it shows you all the things about joining and all the benefits. You get pre-order, things like that. So at the moment they've got this special on for October. So you can join for $60 and you get to choose up to $235 of products, or join for $169, which is the normal join price, and you get $344. So the normal join price is $169 and you get $235. So that is fantastic. So I've got a little come and join my Busy Bees section, some cards I made a while ago for my team, and all the extra benefits you get. And I've got here, don't forget, having fun creating. So if you'd like to join my team, I'd love you to come along and join in fun. You just go down here and click join today. So that goes into that other section we were in first. And you put your email in. It goes through different bits and pieces. If you have any questions, just reach out and ask me. That's what I'm here for. And let's get into it. So yeah, once you join, you can join it. You join for a full quarter before you have to meet minimums for the full quarter. But if you join in October, quarters are 3 months, which means October, you get to the end of December for the first partial quarter, and then you still get the next full quarter before you have to meet any minimums. And that can be you buying it yourself, being your own best customer, or selling it to your friends and family, or selling it to other people like I do at market stalls. You can sell some things at market stalls, like the kits, cash and carry policy, which is great because you can sell things like adhesives, kits, and there's a few other items on the list, which is great because then you can do that, you know, if you're having some friends over and you all want a kit together, you can provide all the kits, so they just pay you for the kit. It's a great way to get started. Or if you just want to buy it for yourself, you can. So you get 20% discount on your next order while you're still current as a demonstrator. And if you have higher sales, you'll go up to 25% discount. But yeah, happy to go through all that with you. So I've got a few kits here now. I'm not going to open all the boxes because I do sell them on my stalls and I don't want to open the plastic. So the ones that come in plastic, they usually have ink and stamps inside of them. So we'll just go over to my trusty little phone again. Hang on 2 seconds. I'll just go and find the page for you. So I'll just go back a page. If we go up into the little tag here, we can go shop now. And it goes to the shop. Oh, there's me. Did you see me? Right, that's on the... So if we scroll down, we've got ways to craft, and you've got step-by-step, quick and easy options, creativity your way. There's a countdown kit at the moment available if you're interested in that, the advent calendar. I've seen the videos for that, and they've got some great stuff in all of those little pockets. So fantastic. I did a live on this card last week on that set. So you can go back and look at that. I'm just looking for the kits. Where are the kits? Calm Side of Crystal. Okay, so the kits are in here. Let's go into that one. This is the Calm and Bright kit. I am going to open one of these boxes, not today, and make up the cards, because the picture doesn't do it justice. I saw it on the live the other week that Stampin' Up did for something, and it just looks so much better when it's real live person. But they're so lovely. And so I've bought not a lot, just a couple of those kits to have on my stall. And they're $46, but they do come, so you get everything in the picture. So you'll get a little stamp block, you get the stamps, you get the ink. The only thing you don't get is something to clean your stamps with, which is water-based. So you just need to have a water-based baby wipe, or, I've got an old washer that I use on my stamps originally. I've still got that. And then you can just wash it out. You can buy a chamois from Stampin' Up if you wish to, if you're going to continue to do it. That's really good. You'll see me using them all the time. And they're good for just cleaning your stamps on. So yeah, you've got your words, so you get to stamp on all these bits and pieces. You've got your little blingy bits, pop out. So they're all pre-cut. And you just pop them all out, do your stamping. And you've got a little stamp set there that you'll get to keep. So you can use that to make other cards as well. It's a great little kit. I really love it. I think it's gorgeous. Anyway, let's go back. Okay, so we've got Sugar and Spice. That's just other products in the shop. I'm just looking to see. So there's another kit there. They've got featured products here. They've got the new kits. Oh, they've got all sorts of products there, so you can just scroll through that. If I go back up to the top, shopping with Fiona Fernandez, I'm just looking for the shop. Let me type kits in. I don't usually shop on my phone, but some people might, so I think it's a good idea to show you. So there, this comes up. So I do have some of these on my stash already on my stall. A couple of those. So you've got all the different kits in here. And they were on sale last week, so I did get a couple extras to put on my stall. Look, there's a lovely Halloween one there. Isn't that cute? Comes with everything to make that up. Let's have a quick look in there, because Halloween's in a couple of weeks. We've had that one for a while, but so this one, it tells you down the list here what it comes with. So it's got cardboard, pre-designed project, step-by-step instructions. They all have instructions. Pre-cut vellum and die-cut pieces, adhesive to finish the projects, printed designer box for storage or crafting on the go. So this one won't have stamps in it. So you assemble the house following the instructions and add your own ghostly touch to it. So this is what's in the box. So they always show you what's in the box. I like that. So that's a really cool little project. Be a lot of fun for the kids too. Or adults, I think it looks good. Anyway, you get the drift. What was I looking for? Heirloom. So I'm going to just look up this for you so that we can see what's in this box. That's where I was going. So I'm just typing one word in, heirloom. This is so pretty. Look at that. So you get enough stuff in here to make all those cards. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. There's all the bits and pieces you get. So that comes with a little stamp set. We'll go to the stamp set. And you get to keep all that. So that's what's in that box. So what I do when I'm selling them on my store, so you can see them when you come and see me at the store. Then you know what's in them. So we'll just have a quick look. I remember I bought a couple of the Calm and Bright, so we just saw those. I can't remember what else I bought. Calm and Bright. I think I only bought the kits by the look of it. I didn't look at my order. Yeah, I've got a few Calm and Bright kits because I'm going to make one up because I figure I can use them for Christmas too. The handmade heartfelt kit. Now that's the one we used for And I'll just grab that. It's over the other side. Just a second. We used that for the card making day the other day. The World Card Making Day. So if you missed that, this is what's in. Sorry about that. Okay, so this one comes with this, you make up the box, it comes flat, but it comes with everything in it to make all of these lovely cards. Look at them. They're beautiful. So you've got your full instructions again, and you get everything to make. I'll show you the front of the packet. If I find the front of the packet. Where is it? Here it is. That's what you get in this box. And you get a few cards in that. So there's 5. There's 10 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, there's 2 of each. So I had a friend here to help me make them all. So that was fun. It's a great way to get together and make some cards and have fun at the same time. We had a lot of fun at the same time because I was doing a piece and I put this piece here accidentally on the front and I went, oh no, I put it on the wrong side. So very carefully took it off. That. Card. Hang on, let me find my card. Here it is. See, that's how it's supposed to look. That's my card. Because I forgot to stick that on the front. But you know what? It doesn't matter, and I can use it on another card now. I'll stick that back down there. But we had a lot of fun because, you know, we were laughing and carrying on. It's great. It's good fun. All right, so I bought one of those to have on my. I might keep that for myself, or I might sell it. I'll put it on the table next time and see if someone wants to buy it. Or I might keep it and use it. And we'll finish the kits. What else have we got? We've got a bunch of. Oh, this one's pretty. Bunch of thanks kit. Let me find my phone again, and I'll just find that for you. Bunch. I just type one word into the search, and then it goes and finds it for me. Bunch of thanks. This looks so pretty. Look at that. So you get everything to make all that. It's $41. It comes with a stamp set. So you'll get a little ink spot there. What colour is that one? Can't read it. I think it's Mossy Meadow off the top of my head. Looks like Mossy Meadow from here. And there's your little cards. Bit of twine. And you get some. So you can put to and from in there. That's lovely. Just tell you what the colour is. It says Mossy Meadow. Classic Stampin' Spot. Gone slow. Keep. Stop. Audio isn't broadcasting. No, I don't think we'll cancel. I think we'll just keep going. You can still see the pictures. So this comes with all this in it. To stick on, you might need a hot glue gun for this one. And it usually tells you in the thing if you do. So that's what comes in that one. Oh, come back. Where's my Visio? It's not focusing. Christmas ornaments kit. So that makes up a whole lot of ornaments. Now, the interesting thing is you've got these little, got the smaller hoops and the larger hoops, and comes in the packet. And the set I'm using on Saturday for my class in person here, where are my bits and pieces for that? They have hoops in them too. It's a new set called Modern Christmas, and that's got a different colour hoop. It's got these hoops that you can buy separately now, these ones. So if you like making things with the hoops, that one comes with the kit, and these ones come with they're on their own, and you can buy them large gold hoops. But if you buy the whole suite for the Modern Christmas, they're in there as well. All right, that's the kits. What else did we get? Oh, I've got a couple of bits of bling. Look. Oh, I love this stuff. So this is on sale in the last chance. Low profile dots. I love those. And I used them on some of my cards recently. I don't think I have any handy. Because I put them in the... Yeah, I put them on my stall. So those ones. This is Basic Grain Smoky Slate Pearls. And, of course, I got some more dimensionals because we always need dimensionals. And I'll be live on Wednesday night with my usual video making something. And I'm going to get on now, and we're having another card class, Cheryl Miller and I, and we're doing the Lights of Aurora. So you may have seen that. Hang on, let me just find my post. Did I put a post up yet? I'm not sure if I did. I did just checking on my phone. Hang on. We'll just go to the phone again. Go to Fiona. Where are we? Okay. Not sure if I've put it up yet or not, have I? So I've got it here. November the 8th, online card class with Cheryl Miller. So that'll be a full day one again. And I'll just see if I've got the rest of it yet. Because I don't know if I was going to put a post on today. So I will be doing that. Let me go and find I know where I put it. I put it on my blog. So if you go to the blog, October News, the latest one, I've got the join offer there, and I've got all those other bits and the Lights of Aurora class. So you can just click on that, and that will take you to the registration form, I think. Hang on, let's look where it goes. Oh, it goes to my event in my calendar, Stampin Up calendar. It's got all the information. It's got the registration form link. And I've also got links in there to look at the actual, if you want to buy the suite, that's extra. So you can register using the form, and if you want to buy the suite, go to that resource there. And yeah, let us know if you're interested. Okay, I'll catch you next time. Ciao.